Samsung TV gray screen fix. Is your Samsung TV stuck on a blank gray screen? I know how frustrating it is when you just want to relax and watch your favorite show. Don't worry, we're going to fix this together right now. A gray screen usually means a connection glitch or a temporary software hang. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective, verified solutions to get your picture back. Step 1. The power cycle. This is the most common fix. First, unplug your TV directly from the wall outlet. While it is unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This drains any leftover power. Wait 1 minute, then plug it back in. If the gray screen is gone, you are all set. If not, let's move to step 2. Step 2. Check your connections. Unplug your HDMI cables from both the TV and your cable box or console. Check for any dust or damage. Plug the cable into a different HDMI port. Sometimes a single port can fail. Switching ports often resets the signal detection. Next, make sure your TV is on the right source. Press the source button on your remote and cycle through the options to find your device. Step 3. Run a picture test. If you can see the menu, go to Settings, then go to Support. Select Self-Diagnosis and then select Start Picture Test. The TV will show a test image. If the test image looks perfect, the problem is your cable or external device. If the test image is still gray, it is an internal TV issue. Step 4. Reset picture settings. Go to Settings, then go to Picture, then select Expert Settings. Scroll down and select Reset Picture. Confirm the reset. This often clears up display glitches caused by custom modes. Step 5. Update your software. Outdated firmware can cause bugs that lead to display errors. Go to Settings, then Support, then select Software Update and click Update Now. Keep your TV connected to the internet. Step 6. The factory reset. Use this as a last resort. Go to Settings, then General, then select Reset. Enter your PIN. The default is usually 0000. This will wipe all data and return the TV to its original state. If none of these steps work, you might have a hardware issue like a failing motherboard or backlight. In that case, contact Samsung support. Remember to try the power cycle first. It fixes over 80% of these cases without losing any of your settings. If you're still having trouble, please leave a comment below. I'll personally reply within 1 hour to help you out. Like and subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech fixes. You've got this. Good luck.